Hi everyone. Good morning, guys. Very good morning, all of you. Prasad, Anjali, Tajamul, and one other. Nagalakshmi, Shravan, Supriya. Good morning, everyone. Very good morning, all of you. Everyone, how are you? How are you all, guys? All of you had your tea, coffee, hot water, juice, breakfast, everything, or nothing? You are here, Tuber. Very good. Okay. You are also there, Tuber. Good morning. Right. Yeah. Fine, Vijay. Very good, very good. Right. Breakfast, tea, coffee, hot water, everything over, all of you. So here we'll be continuing our discussions. Right. Today will be the last class on this. Which one? This materials and specifications. Tomorrow, 15 August na. So 15th August, right? Tomorrow we may not be having the class in the morning because that flag hoisting activities will be there na. So we'll be doing these activities in our colony, whatever wherever it is. So that's why I will not be able to take the class tomorrow morning. Right, day after tomorrow we'll be starting which one? This working stress method of design. Okay. So shall we enter into this working stress method of design, everyone? Day after tomorrow, from 16th onwards, we'll start discussing this working stress method of design, everyone. Okay. Working stress method first, then limit state method, then we'll be going for the others. Okay. Right, all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it. Right, everybody is ready to crack, all of you. Everyone get ready to crack. Rahul Apte, good morning. Right. Now this is my profile, you can follow me at which, and this is the referral code you have to use, right? Always, right? What is the referral code you have to use always, all of you? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use always, right? Now these are all SSC JE State AE 2022 toppers. So you have to get your name and photo in the next year slides. Okay, so you have to be careful, right? You work hard and try to get all your name everywhere, right? And now this is the Samarth batch. Tomorrow onwards, right? Which batch will be starting, all of you? Tomorrow that Samarth batch will be starting, everyone, right? Tomorrow that Samarth batch will be starting. So don't miss this, all of you. So this is for this SSC JE State AE JE examinations, that too in English. Okay, so not in Hindi, it will be completely in English. Okay, no Hindi plus English, no English, right? It is completely English only, right? You have to be careful, right? Now what is that referral code you have to use, all of you, everyone, right? RP Civil. Okay, RP Civil is the referral code you have to use always, right, everyone? Now so this is the fee structure you are having, all of you, right? Whenever you are subscribing to this plus and iconic courses, right, this is the fee structure you are having. What is it? You can say when you are taking this 24 months, 14,250, 12 months, this is the fee, and 6 months, this is the fee structure, right? And what is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil is the referral code you have to use always, right? So this is a batch. KP myself will be giving orientation session tomorrow at 3 p.m. and KP sir will be starting which one? This environmental engineering at 11 a.m. right? KP sir will be starting environmental engineering at 11 a.m. and I'll be giving the orientation session, right? Vinay Prajapati, good morning. Right, these are the details. Right, now these are all the subjects taken by which faculty, you know already. Right, these are the major changes in SSC. All of you, have you applied this SSC JE? So don't miss this, right? Apply for SSC JE and AAI also, right? Airport Authority of India also you try to apply, right? Those who did not apply, because the same subjects, na, general subjects will be same for this. Here people are telling that no technicals are. So for your state examination, for your SSC examination, you will be preparing general subjects also, no? They will be useful here also, no? Definitely they will be useful here also, right? So if you want, there is a recorded batch available, all of you. So these are the plus courses, complete course on the surveying we are doing, and quick concepts course, free course we are doing, you can say, is not? Now, so this is ninth part in the materials and specifications, right? So here, shall we go for the questions, everyone? Right, so we'll be going for these questions, all of you, right? Shall we? Right, we'll go for these questions, everyone. So the first question I will be starting, right? Try to select the answer at 45 seconds time I will be giving, by keeping YouTube people also in mind. YouTube people, write the question number and answer. Okay, yeah, good morning, Dia. Tajamul Nagalakshmi answered correctly. What about the others? 3 seconds time only will be there. Right, what is it you can say? 40% only answered. Nobody answered from YouTube. A reinforced concrete structure has to be, right? A reinforced concrete structure. It is not plain cement concrete, right? It is RCC structure. A reinforced concrete structure has to be constructed along the sea coast. The minimum grade of concrete to be used as per this IS 46 is, right? So whenever you are going for this now, right? What is it you can say, everyone, if you just observe? So reinforced concrete structure, right? A reinforced concrete structure you are having, that too in the sea coast, right? Sea coast means which exposure conditions you can say, everyone? Which exposure conditions? All of you it is. Which exposure conditions it is? It is the severe exposure conditions now. Whenever it is a severe exposure conditions, right? What is it you can say? M30 will be the grade you are having now. It is M20 grade or it is M30 grade, everyone? Yesterday I have given that table. Do you remember? Yesterday means on 12th August, right? On 12th August, I have given this, right? I have given this, if you remember, all of you, right? So do you remember, everyone? Do you remember, all of you? So that table we have given, right? Which one is the answer, all of you? Which one is the answer, all of you? M30 is the answer or M20 will be the answer? M30 will be the answer, right? M30 only will be the answer, right? You have to be careful, right? So you just try to use that table. Yesterday I told you to write, na? Is that na? Right. So now second question, select the answer of you. This you will be selecting absolutely correct, many people, right? 100% correct answer. Diya, Supriya, Tajamul, Nagalakshmi, Anjali, Karthik answered correctly. Second question. Never give up. You have given answer for the first question or second question. Please write the question number and answer. So that's why I said. Array yaar, 85.71% only answered correctly. What about the remaining? This is the leaderboard. Tajamul first, Nagalakshmi second, Diya third, right? Yeah, Gangapatnam, right? Gopi, good morning. So now which one is a characteristic strength? The characteristic strength of a concrete is defined as the compressive strength below which not more than which one? Not more than this 5% results only will fail, na? Isn't it? Not more than this 5% results only will fail, right? Yeah, Rahul, up to which question you have given the answer? So that's why, because there is a streaming delay actually. So YouTube people, you just write your question number and answer, okay, so that I can identify for which question you have answered, okay, right? So if you just consider this, right, what is that you are having here? 5% results, right? So this will be taken as your characteristic compressive strength, na? So that only 5% results. Yeah, okay, never give a second question, correct answer. So 5% results are below this value, then this value is called as FCK. And how many results are greater than this value? 95% results are greater than this value. 95% results must be greater than this value. 5% results must be lesser than or equal to this value, right? So then you can say it as which one? Then you can say it as which one, everyone? Then you can say it as this. Then you can say it as which one? This is a characteristic compressive strength, right? Is it clear, everyone? Which one can be called as your characteristic compressive strength, all of you? So that is second question, right? So try to answer this third question. Right. Select the answer of you. %100% correct answer. Tajamul, Nagalakshmi, Diya, Gopi, Supriya, Anjali answered correctly. What about the remaining? Yeah. Rahul, check the answer. Check the options properly. have given the hint. But in the examination, nobody will give you the hint. You have to answer on your own. Okay? Right. So Tajamul first, Nagalakshmi second, and Diya third. Right? What is it you can say? As per IS 486, read which of the following correctly expresses the modulus of elasticity. So modulus of elasticity of this concrete will be which one? So this is 5000 root FCK na? This is 5000 root FCK as per this new code, right? So as per the old code, right, what is it you can say? This is 5700 root FCK na? So this is as per this old code na, 1970s code, if you just observe, is not? Now I'll be going for this fourth question. Right? Shall I go for this fourth question, everyone? Right, I'll be starting the poll of you. Try to select the answer, everyone. Diya, Gopi, Naglakshmi, Tajamal answered correctly. Question number 4, try to answer, everyone. Krishna Kumar from YouTube answered correctly. Any other answer by others? Right. Yes, 100% from special class answered perfectly. Very good. Tajamul first, Naglakshmi second, and Diya third. Right? These are the toppers till now. Right. So what is that? Which one of the following predicts the effective modulus of elasticity of concrete? Right? Yeah, Divyanshi also answered correctly from YouTube. So which one is representing that effective, right? Which one is representing that effective elastic modulus, you can say? What is the meaning of this effective elastic modulus? Effective elastic modulus is nothing but you are considering the considering all effects now. What are the effects we'll be having generally? One is a short term effect, other one is a long term effect, right? So which is representing that all, right? Which is representing that all, right? What is it there you are having, everyone, if you just observe? What is it there you are having, if you just observe, everyone? What is it there you are having? Long term effect na, creep and shrinkage effect, right? Whenever you are considering this long term effect, right, which one will be the answer? EC by this 1 plus theta, or not, everyone, right? EC by this 1 plus theta you are having, if you just observe, right? Yes, now is it clear? So shall I move to the next, all of you? So we'll be moving on to the next, right? So this is your question number 5. Select the answer of you. Krishan Kumar. जरा सोच के आंसर करो, जरा देख के आंसर करो. नेवर गिव अप. देख लो, अच्छा से देख लो. दिया, गोपी, Nagalakshmi, Tajamul, Anjali answered correctly. Right. Yeah, Ramesh, Ashwin, Lakshmi. Good morning. Tajamul first, Nagalakshmi second, and Diya third. Right. What is the answer? Long-term elastic modulus in terms of this creep coefficient and 28 days characteristic strength FCK is given by. Just now we have done this na. What is that a long term, you can say? EC by this 1 plus theta. What is that EC by this 1 plus theta? EC by this 1 plus theta, right? What is that EC, you can say? That is 5000 root FCK na. 5000 root FCK divided by this 1 plus theta, right? Which option is matching with this, everyone tell me? Which option is matching with this, tell me? Which option is matching with this, all of you, if you just observe? It is 5000 root FCK na. 5000 root FCK divided by this 1 plus theta, right? Option A only will be the correct answer or not? You have to be careful, right? So, right. So here you just try to select the answer here, right? Sixth question, everyone. I am giving the answer. Yeah, never give up, answered correctly. Krishan Kumar also answered correctly. Anjali also answered from YouTube. Sorry, special class. Yeah, don't worry, we'll check it. Lakshmi first, Tajamal second, and Anjali third, right? Concrete attains a major part of its strength in, right? So which one should be the answer, right? 4 weeks. See, whenever you consider this 1 week, it will be getting which one? This is 67% of its strength. 4 weeks, if you just observe, so 99% of its strength, right? So here you have to be careful, Tajamal, right? Concrete attains a major part of its strength mentioned, right? It's a characteristic strength mentioned or it's a strength mentioned in the question. You have to be careful. Suppose if the question is given as the characteristic strength, what happens? Characteristic strength, FCK 28 days value will be taken as characteristic strength, and then 1 week will be the answer, right? But here it is given as the strength. Here it is given as the strength means which one could be the answer? Rajamal, which one could be the answer? It is given as the strength means. It is given as the strength means original strength, not the defined strength, right? Yes, not. Now which one could be the answer? Now which one could be the answer, right? And now 4 weeks will be the absolute answer, na? Yes or no? 4 weeks will be the 100% correct answer, na? But here part of its characteristic strength is given, then which one will be the answer? Part of its characteristic strength means then you have to select this 1 week, right? Then you have to select which one? This 1 week, you can say, if you just of the right. Is it clear? Right? So shall I move to the next question, all of you? 7th question. So select the answer, 7th question. Yeah, 2 weeks, 14 days. Yeah, 85% it is given actually. Yeah, according to the new codal specifications, amendment, recent amendments, that is 85% only it is changed to. Old, previously it was 90%, never give up, but now it is changed to 85% only. Okay. Right. The leaderboard, Nagalakshmi first, Tajamal second, and Diya third, right? Flexural strength of a concrete is determined as modulus of rigidity. Modulus of rigidity, no, na? Modulus of rupture, yes. What is it? Modulus of rupture, you can say FCR, that is 0.7 root FCK. This is taken as the flexural strength, na? Yes or no? This is taken as a flexural strength or not, all of you? I have given this also, right? A class number also I have given. With a class number flexural strength, under which class number that flexural strength, that a class of class is given as flexural strength, under this expression is given, right? So what does it mean? Flexural strength is taken as this modulus of rupture, right? So modulus of elasticity, never give up, right? Will it be representing the flexural strength or it is representing the elastic nature of this concrete? Tell me, all of you. It will be representing the flexural strength or it is representing the elastic nature of this concrete only? It will be representing the elastic nature of this concrete only, no? It is representing the elastic nature of this concrete only, right? It is not representing the flexural strength, right? You have to be careful, right? So which one is the answer? Modulus of rupture will be the answer, right? So this question number 8, okay? Read it carefully, right? Everything is from our discussions only, right? These questions, if you just observe. Krishan Kant and Rahul Apte from YouTube answered correctly, and from special class also 100% correct answer. Those who answered, very good. This is a leaderboard from special class. Nalakshmi first, Tajamul second, Diya third. Right? Okay. So those who are willing to enroll for this tomorrow's batch, you just enroll, all of you. You just enroll for this from special class students. Those who did not enroll, you just enroll, all of you. Once enrolled, tell me. Right. Okay. So concrete is which one you can say, right? Concrete is which one? If you just observe, concrete is stronger or good in compression and weak in good in compression and weak in tension. Everyone, concrete is which one? This is good in compression and weak in tension, right? Because it is weak in the tension, right? Because of that reason only, what is that we are doing? We are improving its which one? This tensile strength with the help of this reinforcement, na? Which one is correct now? Option B will be the correct answer, or not? Option B will be the correct answer, you can say. Is now. No. So this is question number 9. I'll be starting the poll. Try to select the answer, everyone. Ninth question. Last bottom one is the 9th question, you can say. Right. Is a leaderboard. So Nagalakshmi first, Tajamul second, Diya third. Right. Yeah. Never give up. What is it? Yes. Answered correctly. So this is the answer, right? In the design of this RCC structure, the tensile strength of this concrete is taken as, right? How will be taking the tensile strength of this concrete? If you just observe, the tensile strength of this concrete is taken as which one? This 0.7 root FC, can? Is there any such kind of option here? No such kind of option you are having, right? So which one will be the answer? So none of the above is answered. Can we say directly that it is 5 MPa, 2 MPa, 0.3 MPa, right? Can we say it directly like that? There is no such kind of condition. Can we say directly like this, or we cannot say directly like this? Right? We cannot say directly like this, now everyone. We can say directly like this, or we cannot say directly like this. Right? We cannot say directly like this, now. Yes or no? Yes, Rahul Apte also answered correctly, right? No. So this is your 10th question. Right? Reinforced concrete, it is not the plain concrete, right? You have to be careful, right? It is which one? Reinforced concrete, right? Not the plain concrete, right? You have to be careful. Okay. Question number 10, reinforced concrete, right? It is which concrete? Reinforced concrete. You have to be careful, right? So this is a leaderboard. So Nagalakshmi first, Tajamul second, Diya third, right? Yashwant, good morning. Praneeth, Ramesh, Ashwin, everyone, good morning. The weight of this reinforced concrete, right? Whenever it is a reinforced concrete, means with steel or without steel, it is given, everyone, including the steel or not including the steel, everyone. It is including the steel or not including the steel, or if you read, it is including the steel, absolutely, yes or no? It is including the steel. If you just observe, whenever it is including the steel, right, what is it you can say? Including the steel means, right, what is it you can say, everyone, right? It is including the steel means this will be RCC only, now. For PCC, how much it will be? For PCC, 24 kilonewton per meter cube, okay? And for this RCC, what is that you can say? 25 kilonewton per meter cube, right? So which one is nearby? Tell me now, all of you. Which one is nearby? Tell me, all of you now. If you just observe. Which one is nearby? Tell me. Reinforced concrete is given, means that 2400 is the correct one, or 2500 is the correct one? Right? 2500 is the correct one. We have to take it now. Right. So this is the 11th question. I will be starting the poll. Right. 11th question. I will be starting the poll actually. Here. Okay. You select the answer. Eleventh question, select the answer, everyone. Right. 11th. Okay, we'll go for this, don't worry. Right, Nagalakshmi first, Tajamal second, and Gopit third. Right, Yashwant, good morning. According to IS 486, the number of grades of this standard concrete makes, right? Do you remember this, everyone? So we have discussed everything, right? We have discussed all these things in our class, right? Whenever it is ordinary concrete, right? What is that you can say, all of you? Ordinary concrete, and this is standard concrete, and this, which one? This is a high strength concrete, right? Ordinary concrete, and this is standard concrete, and this is high strength concrete, right? As per the old specifications and as per the new specifications. Tell me, everyone, right? So anybody remember? As per the old specifications, right? What is that ordinary concrete? You refer your notes, everyone. I have given everything in the class. I have given everything in the class, right? You just tell me, all of you, how much it will be. So that is, which one? This M10, 15, which one? This 20, right? So here it is also in the new code also it is the same na, M10, 15, 20 only, right? But for the standard concrete, that is your M25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, right? How many are there now? Tell me. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. Na? This is 7, you can say. But as per the new specifications, right? What is that you can say? This is M25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Next, which one? 50, 55, 60 also there na. It is 8 as per the new code, new specifications, right? So because this question is given in 2007 na, that amendment is done 2019 actually. So that amendment is done in 2018. So that's why that option 8 is not there. Okay. So here what is that you can say next? Which one? M62. What is that you can say, everyone? M62. What is that? M60, 65, 70, 75, 80 na, up to this M80, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there, right? So now here what is that you can say? M65, 70, 75, 80, 85. Next 90, 95, and M100. Up to this M100 also it is valid or not, everyone? So this is total how many? So here ordinary concrete in the old specification and new specification it is 3 grades only. Standard concrete as per the old specification it is 7 and the new specification 8. So high strength concrete as per the old specification, how much it will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As per the new specifications, how much it will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? 8 you are having. Is that clear, everyone? Is it clear, everyone? All of you, this one? Could you recollect it? You have to be careful, right? So which one is the correct answer? This is the correct answer as per these old specifications, right? So as per these new specifications, right, which this also will be the answer if a question is given at present, right? It's not if the same question is given at present, 7 should be selected or 8 should be selected, all of you. If the same question is given at present, right, 7 should be selected or 8 should be selected. 8 should be selected if the question is given at present, na? Yes or no? At present. You have to be careful, right? Krishan, good morning. Now question number 12 I will be going for. uh, so here if you just observe why these concrete these are used, if you just observe mainly for which purpose they are used. Main purpose you have to answer here, right? Question number 12. Ashish Sharma, okay, answered correctly from YouTube. Others from YouTube, other YouTube channels. We are keeping 3 mobiles and observing in 3 YouTube channels. It is a little difficult. Right, this is a leaderboard. Every day 8:30 a.m. Same 8:30 a.m. only. Lakshmi first, Gopi second, Tajamul third. Right. Every day 8:30 a.m. It will be having, right. If some days it may not be there because of holidays or whatever it is. Sunday it will not be there definitely. But tomorrow also it will not be there. Right? But every day you can find when class is there, it will be at 8:30 a.m. only. This one. Okay. Krishan, good morning. Right. Good morning, Ashish Sharma. So why are steel reinforcing rods used in the concrete beams, right? What is the main purpose of this steel reinforcing bars, you can say? To make it carry compression, to make it carry tension, right? Which one? To make it carry tension only, no? Because concrete is stronger in compression. Just now we have seen, concrete is stronger in compression and weaker in tension, right? So then how to improve the tensile strength of this concrete, you can say, by using the reinforcement, by using the reinforcement material which is stronger in the tension, right? So steel will be used as a reinforcement to make it stronger in tension, so that it will carry the tension, right? So now what will happen, that the concrete tensile strength will be taken, tensile load will be taken care by this reinforcement, and compressive load will be taken care by this concrete itself now, right? Now select the answer of you if you just observe. Question number 13. Answer all of you. Yeah, 87% only answered in the special class. Nagalakshmi first, Gopi second, Tajamul third, right? So here in RCC structure, the tension zone lies in the, right, where that tension zone lies. Yes, Ashish Sharma, correct answer. Where that tension zone lies, right? By default, if nothing is mentioned, we have to consider it as this simply supported beam nature or cantilever beam nature, right? We have to consider it as this simply supported beam nature, na? So whenever it is a simply supported beam nature, right? How it will be if you just observe, right? So this is how you will be having, yes or no? So top compression and this bottom tension, so tensile zone will be by default it is at which one, this bottom only, right? Unless it is mentioned, don't consider cantilever, right? By default you are considering which one, this simply supported only. Is it clear? Shall I move to the next 14th question? So we'll be moving on to this 14th question, right? This is your 14th question, right? 14th question, right? Try to select the answer, everyone. It is actually there are 2 people. Okay, I'll be going with this, don't worry. There are 2 people. Yeah, in cantilever top, absolutely, yes. Actually, whatever the answer given also, that may be correct or may not be correct, all of you have to be careful. Yeah, yes, yes, correct, Ashish Sharma. Yeah. So here, who is that? You can say, if you just observe here, I'll write. Don't worry. So this Francis coordinate, right? Francis coordinate has developed it for the first time. So what this fellow has given? Iron reinforced, right? Iron reinforced, right? Iron reinforced. He introduced for the first time. Okay. Joseph Monnier. This fellow has introduced which one? This is steel reinforced. Okay, steel reinforced or ferro steel reinforced, right? So which one? John Smeaton, right? What is it? John Smeaton, you can say he is the father of this civil engineer, na? Father of which one? This modern civil engineer. Okay, modern civil engineering, right? Father of this modern civil engineering. Joseph Asphodin, right? What is it? You can say he developed that Portland cement. This fellow has developed which one? This Portland cement, right? Now tell me which one will be the answer? Option A and C, among them anything can be the answer, na? Yes, NI, good morning. Yeah, anything can be the answer, na? But which one will be the appropriate answer if you just observe it? That first time it was used, right? First used means that this Francis coordinate will be the correct answer, na? Francis coordinate will be the correct answer if the first time it is used means. Is it clear? Is not? Is it clear enough you? Right. So this is question number 15. Next question, right? Second question in this, right? You just try to go for this, all of you. Phonic. Good morning. Okay, you're answering the next question, 16th question already, NI. Okay, very good. What is your name? Your name is NI only? Okay. Yeah, write the question number and answer so that I can identify for which question you are answering. Okay. Ulta palta if you answer na, I could not identify. Okay. Or you are writing the options directly, sir, from the options you identify. Will you say like that? Yeah. Nagalakshmi first, Tajamal second, and Gopi third. How many types of RCC can be classified into, right? How many types that RCC can be classified into if you just observe, you can say? So two types, right? What is that you can say? That first one is what? Cast in situ. What is the meaning of this cast in situ? Will be manufacturing each and everything in the site only now. And what is that next one? Precast. Now, what is the meaning of this precast? Will be making the wall panels, slab panels, everything before, and we'll bring it to the site, you can say, right? So which one you can say? This option 2 will be the correct answer, na? Yes or no? Now question number 16, if you just observe. Question number 16, you try to select the answer of you, everyone. Just now we have discussed this point. Yes, now you should not be answering wrongly. We have discussed this point just now, na? Yes, no? Just now we have discussed this point. You should not be answering this wrongly. I have given the list also. Still 82% only answered. Arey yaar. 62% only answered. Yes, yes, absolutely. Correct. NI. NI dot. Okay. Tajamal first, Nagalakshmi second, and Gopi third. Right. Question number 14, poll answer was wrong. Yes, 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 yes. So for which of the following grades ordinary concrete is not used, right? This is your ordinary, this is your ordinary, this is also your ordinary, na? And this is your standard or not? This is your standard, you can say, right? Option B is the correct answer. If you just remember this one, ordinary M10 to, yeah, sorry, ordinary M10 to which one? This M10 to this M25. Okay, okay. Standard, yeah, this also can be the answer, na? M25 also can be the answer, no? Yes or no? M25 also can be the answer, you can say, right? You have to be careful, right? M40 will be the answer you have to select, right? That is by mistake it is given, right? So question number 17. Yeah, M25 is also not ordinary, right? M25 is also not ordinary, right? This is also which one? This standard, na? Yes, this is also standard, right? Both options, option B and D can be correct, na? Option B and D can be correct or not? Yes, option B and D can be correct, right? So question number 17. So let's start the poll for this question number 17, everyone. Yes, I'll be starting the poll for this question number 17. All of you try to select the answer, everyone. Yes. Yes, 25, 40. Yes, that is what I have given. NI dot. Both will be the answers, na? B and D will be the answers, right? B and D both will be the answers. Okay. But which one we have to select? 40 we have to select, right? Yes, na? 40 you have to select. Yeah, if you consider this, if you consider this PCC, na? Yes, if you consider this PCC, na? Then M20 also will come. Yes, na? M20 also may come. So, but generally that is not given like that. RCC or PCC, it is given single only, right? Okay, this one. Tajamul first, Nagalakshmi second, right? Where is that 5% results? I am not getting that 5% results. Pick up the correct statement from the following, right? Drying shrinkage is affected by, right? Drying shrinkage will be affected. Drying means because of this drying activity of this member, na, that shrinkage happens, right? Relative humidity of this atmosphere when the concrete is placed, is na? So when you are having this more humidity or this less humidity, right? Depending upon that humidity, yeah. So humidity, if you, okay, you have solved many times, very good, right? So if you are having this humidity, outside humidity and this inside humidity, right, that condition will influence definitely or not? That condition will influence definitely, you can say, absolutely, right? Yes, now. So based on that, if outside outside it will be hot compared to the concrete, then what will happen? It will evaporate definitely, na? Yes. The length of this time, more time you are keeping means automatically more drying will happen or less drying will happen? More drying will happen, right? Water cement ratio also, more water is present means more drying will happen, right, until it gets dried, right? Option D will be the correct answer or not? Yes, absolutely, right? So shall I move to the next question, everyone? Right, so this is your question number 17, right? Question number 18 I will be going for, right? So shall I select the answer of you? You already done many times. Very good, very good, very good. Yeah. Right, so this is related about Tajamal first, Nagalakshmi second, go with third, right? M20 grade of this concrete implies that a strength of 15 centimeter cube at 28 days of curing will be, right? How much it will be, you can say, if you just observe. How much it will be if you just observe? That is your which one? 20 kg per centimeter square or 20 Newton per millimeter square, or which one? 20 kg per Newton per this millimeter square. Na, it is not 20 kg per centimeter square, right? 20 which one? Newton per this millimeter square. Na, you have to be careful, right? This is question number 18, right? Question number 19 you go for this, right? Question number 19 you just go for this, right? Try to select the answer of you. Muhammad, good morning. Dia, Tajamul, Gopi, Yashwant answered correctly. Today we will do few questions, right? Yeah, okay, no problem. I think almost all are covered here, you can say, mostly. Dia, Tajamul, Gopi, Yashwant, Nagalakshmi answered correctly. Nia answered correctly. This 19th question. Anybody from YouTube? Right. This is leaderboard. Tajamul first, Nagalakshmi second, Gopi third. Right. So here compressive strength of this M20 concrete grade is, right? What is the M20 concrete grade? If you just observe, M20 means that is your 20 Newton per millimeter square. Now, whenever you are considering this 20 Newton per millimeter square, right, how can you convert that? If you just observe, you can say, how can you convert that? If you just observe, how can you convert that millimeter to this centimeter, right? So how can you convert that, right? That will become this 200 kg per this centimeter square only, no? Yes or no? 20 Newton per millimeter square is nothing but your 200, right? 200 kg per the centimeter square, na? Yes, absolutely, right? Yes, right. You select this one answer. Yes, NI dot answered correctly from the YouTube, right? From special class, what is the answer? Right. This is a leaderboard, right? So what is the characteristic strength of concrete is measured at which one? 28 days, na? It is measured at this 28 days only, or not all of you, right? These 20 questions are completed, right? So we will be going for which one? This is a 21 question, right? So you have to be careful. I have mentioned this answer already. I have mentioned this point already somewhere previously, if you remember. Ishwan, Supriya, Diya, Jamul, Ashwin, Nagalakshmi, Anjali answered correctly. We are writing 6. This is 21st question. Okay, this one only you are saying. Ashish. Tajamul first, Nagalakshmi second, and Diya third, right? Yeah, read the question number means write the question number present here so that I'll understand. If you write your own question number, I cannot understand which question you are answering. Okay. Ashish, according to IS 46-2000, what should be the unit weight of this plain cement concrete? What is the unit weight of this plain cement concrete? It is 24 kilonewton per meter. Na? So for PCC, it is which one? This is 24 kilonewton per this meter cube. And for this RCC, how much it will be? RCC and this pre-stressed concrete also, right? Because that is also having these bars, na? So how much it will be taken? That is your 25 kilonewton per this meter cube. We have to take it, right? Yes, na? Question number 21 over. Question number 22, if you just observe, na? Question number 22, select the answer of you. Rahul Apte, Krishna Kumar, you are not answering. In this YouTube channel, right, just below this, above this, or just below the title, one thing is pinned in the blue color, na? Yes or no? Subscription link. So if you wanted to subscribe to this plus and icon, plus courses for this SSC JE, State AE JE, you click on this and you will be subjected to which one? This subscription. And use which code? RPC will code you use. Right, this is a leaderboard. Right. What is the meaning of this designation M30 concrete suggested for a reinforced cement concrete work? The mixed characteristic compressive strength of 150 mm size at 365 days? No, no, not. The mixed characteristic comprised of 100 mm cube? No. The mixed characteristic compressive strength of 150 millimeter cube at 28 days, right? Is 30 Newton per millimeter square. So which option is correct? Option is C will be the correct answer, or not everyone? Option C will be the correct answer. You can say if you just read. Shall I move to the next question? 23rd question. This is your question number 23, right? Try to select the answer of you. 60 seconds time I am giving. Select the answer, everyone. Priya, Ashwant, Naglakshmi, Gopi, Tajamul answered. From YouTube, nobody answering? Right. Is it written what? Right. The modulus of elasticity of this M25 concrete as per the formula of IS46 is, right? What is it you can say? This is your FCK, na? So what is it you can say? 5000 root FCK or not? 5000 root FCK is nothing but your 5000 root 25. So can we say it is your 25,000 MPa if you just observe 25,000 MPa, na? So which option is correct? Right? Option D will be the correct answer or not? Yes, this is your question number 24 you are having, right? Yes, now question number 24 you are having, right? Try to select the answer, everyone. 45 seconds time I am giving. NI from YouTube answered correctly. Tomorrow class will not be there. Okay, day after tomorrow we'll be having again, because tomorrow Independence Day, na? Because of flag hosting. Right, Tajamul first, Nagalakshmi second, Diya third. Right, modulus of elasticity of concrete improves by shortening the curing period, higher water cement ratio. All options are correct. Which one? It is improved only by age, na? Why? Because that 5000 root FCK, if you just observe, 5000 root FCK will be equal to which one? This EC, na? So EC, as FCK increases, as the strength increases, EC will be increasing, right? Strength will be increasing based on which one? This age only, na? Yes or no? Strength will be increasing based on this age, na? Yes or no? If you are going for this lesser curing, short curing or lesser curing, if you are doing insufficient curing, if you are doing, it will be sufficient, it will be good or it will be bad, you can say. It will not be good, na? It will not be good, you can say, right? Higher water cement ratio also will result in lesser strength, so lesser FCK and lesser AC. But only thing here is age, na? So you have to be careful. Right? 25th question I will be more going for. So already this question is repeated, na? Yeah. This you should not be answering wrongly. Yes, correct. NI dot answer correctly. So shall we? So whatever the questions we are doing today, shall we stop with these questions, or we'll try to do questions in one more class also? That many questions we are having actually. We'll do questions in one more class also. From the first chapter. We'll start the second chapter on 16th August, or what we'll do? We'll solve few more questions also. What we'll do? One more class for questions, or in the next class? Next class we'll solve only questions, or we'll start a new chapter. Tajamul first, Nagalakshmi second, Diya third. What we'll do? Characteristic strength. Questions only we'll do? Okay, okay. I'll try to bring other questions from this chapter then. Okay. The characteristic strength of this concrete is defined as the compressive strength below not which more than, right? 5% results falling, na? Yes or no? That is what. So here 23, 24, 25. Okay, we'll start with this. We'll stop here otherwise, because next class at 10 a.m. one more class will be there na. At 10 a.m. one more class will be there na. We'll stop here. So what we'll do on 16th, right? And next class on which one? Next class will be there on which one? Next class on 16th you will be having, right? 16th August at 8:30 a.m. Okay, same at the 8:30 a.m. right? On which one? This is RCC PYQs. PYQs of which one? This is chapter 1. PYQs of this is chapter 1. Okay, right. So I'll try not to repeat these questions. I'll try to go with other questions. Okay, right. So what else you'll be having? Now next class will be today at 10 a.m. you will be having that other class also, right? GATE and ESC PYQs of the surveying contouring you are having, right? Just in half an hour that will be starting GATE and ESC PYQs. Okay. Yeah, GATE and ESC PYQ class at 10 a.m. it will be there, right? I will be sharing the link now, right? 10 a.m. GATE and ESC PYQ class will be at 10 a.m. every day. GATE and ESC PYQ class, right? GATE and ESC PYQ class will be there at 10 a.m. every day, and this state SSC JE PYQ class will be there at 8:30 a.m. every day. Okay. State survey PYQs. Okay. You just text me. I'll be sending that. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I'll be closing the session. Thank you, all of you. Have a good day. But today, today we'll be having at which one? So today at 10 a.m. you will be having, right? Today at 10 a.m. GATE and ESC PYQs of what? Contouring will be discussing. Okay. If anyone having any doubts, you can contact me at this number. Okay. Right. So you can just click on that, right? You will be getting automatic message and you can get our Telegram group link also, right? Thank you, all of you. Thank you. Have a good day.